The following message is transmitted at the request of the Iowa Health Department and Human Services. A food contamination warning is in effect for the following counties, in Iowa, Ida, Sac, and Calhoun. A Subway in Sac City, Iowa is temporarily closed due to expired milk sold in the past 48 hours from August 19, 2025. If you bought a 1% low-fat milk product from the Subway restaurant in Sac City, located in the township of Jackson, Iowa in Sac County, Iowa in the past 48 hours, take severe precautions immediately. If you have consumed the product in the past 48 hours of buying the product, seek medical attention immediately. Nausea, vomiting, diarrhea and stomach cramps are possible symptoms when consuming expired milk. If you currently have a bottle of expired milk from the restaurant, turn it over into your local food administration immediately.